So far, what we have been through is we've been through the roadmap. We've shown you how to create a detailed step-by-step plan for the execution of these digital marketing strategies. This 8-step iCandor complete add to core sale framework. And in this lesson, what we're going to go through is we're going to go through clarity, how to convert through clarity. So as you can see here on your screen, this is the framework. This is the iCandor 8-step framework. And we're now at step 2, at lesson 2 of the first stage. The first stage is the attraction phase, where we're reeling these people in. You remember in the last lesson, what we did was we showed you how to reel them in, to create these hooks, to invite them from social media, to invite them all from your other contacts, your other sources, and then to finally end up with this huge transformational benefit, a captivating, engaged email list that you can market to. And remember, folks, this is a list that you own. Very important lesson. So now what we're going through here is we're going through this second lesson, and this is all about the C. This is all about the captivating through clarity. Now let's see what are the 3 major benefits, the 3 transformational outcomes that we can achieve if we implement these steps correctly. And remember, we're doing it all together in this iCandor, this 3-day workshop. And to get hold of the longer form videos, to get hold of the longer form content, all you have to do is click on the link immediately underneath this video. Immediately underneath this video, there's a sign up link. There you can click on it and it'll give you more of these details. And then you can see if this is truly a great fit, an excellent fit for you and for your coaching business and for your coaching programs. So this is the visual roadmap. This is the visual iCandor roadmap. And as you can see there, we're now at this phase where we're captivating these people through clarity. Now let's look at the benefits. Let's look at the benefits that can be achieved if we do this properly. So the benefit number 1 is learn why, and more importantly, how to create a craftily prepared, to craft a beautiful clarity statement. And why this single statement. Now notice I'm not saying the word sentence, but this statement is going to be the single most important piece of copy. In other words, text that you're ever going to write in your entire marketing journey. And we're going to show you quite a few of these excellent examples that coaches there before you have prepared. Now, benefit number 2, what we're going to show you is how to craft a simple landing page and a simple sales page. In other words, a page where they're going to come along and they're going to pay some money to buy your coaching services or your coaching programs or your coaching products. And we're going to show you the 5 elements and in what order they should be in your page and how to quickly get to these using AI, using the unlimited powers of the AI, the artificial intelligence. Really, really good, really worth staying tuned for. And then we're also going to show you how to craft a 3D book cover that can be used as a lead magnet. And we're going to show you how in less than 2 hours, how you can create a powerful lead magnet that is going to entice these ideal targeted prospects, these ITPs that we learned about in the invite stage, into your audience, into your ecosystem, into your ecosphere, so that they're aware of your presence and they're becoming excited, engaged, and enthusiastic about the prospect of showing up for a one-to-one discovery call with you, the coach. Really, really, really nice, really exciting. So there, once again, this has been the second lesson in the stage 1 in the attraction phase, and this has been convert through clarity. Okay, so see you all in the next lesson. And this is me, PG Mac, saying peace out, bye for now, and see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.